secure Scirocco. Do this. Can it? Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. For today's video, guys, the Scirocco is going in to Pandora car alarms today. To get some absolute fucking wizardry done to it. Now then, if you can't tell by the name Pandora car alarms, we are actually getting a car alarm fitted to this car today. I believe we're getting a mobiliser, and also we are going to be able to start the car from my key fob and my phone. But later on in the video, I will show you guys all of that. Now you might be wondering, why are you getting an alarm system fitted to a Scirocco? This car might not be highly valuable to some people, but for me personally, it made a massive dent in my pocket. So I would like to lock down and secure that asset. And as well as this, it's not all about the value. It's like, this is my baby. Listen to me. This right here is my baby. For most of you at home, you might have a car sitting in your driveway right now that means the world to you. You spent most of your time in it or working on it, and at times you've spent your whole paycheck on it. If it was ever stolen to you, it would break your heart, and that is exactly the way I feel about mine. So that is why we are taking it to the best car security possible, Pandora car alarms. We need to turn on the car and we need to head down to Redditch. They actually have installers all over the country, so if you are interested, wait until the end of the video. Let the video do the talking for you. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Listen to this. You can tell I'm fucking excited.
Oh my god, there's got Subway and a Greg's. Oh.
Pandora. Hi there, it's the other stuff. Who the fuck is the other stuff? Oh. Right then guys, so we are actually down at Pandora car alarms today, and look at this. If you guys do not recognise this, this is actually, let me let you guys guess. Only the true people will know this, but this is where we did the DMO DJ collab, right here. The course part right here. So yeah, we are actually down today to get their spot. Right, so we are joined by the wizard. He is the Gandalf, or he's the Harry Potter of magic. He is the Gordon Ramsay of cooking. Anyway, he's actually going to be fitting the alarm system to the car today. What we're getting done.
Well, technically, you are going to get your own little package. It's going to be a smart with a remote start. Now, what that means is it's going to be our Storm Mobiliser with a remote start and tracking. So you can track your vehicle, start it whenever you want, and being in automatic, you can literally start it whenever you want. Let's say you go to work at 6 every morning, you can have it at the start at 5:30 in the morning, pre-ready, you don't need to even touch your phone. It's scripted, it'll automatically start up, get it nice and warm, run for 15 minutes and shut down for you. Not only that, nobody's going to be able to steal it. That sort of side we're going to put on anti-hijack, so if you're dragged out of the vehicle, this thing shuts down for you.
I'm basically Jackie Chan, so nobody can do that.
But yeah, we're going to hook you up and fit it for you.
I have to say real quick, I love this man.
Let's get it in.
Go on, let's see this bad boy. Whew. That's the first time I've heard it starting up outside. Hello.
That one's Nico, that was Milo.
Hello. Oh my god. Oh. Just picked up a homeless girl, just waiting on an Uber. So we got an Uber into town to kill a bit of time. Right, just stopped off at a cafe. Chloe's got a nice hot chocolate. Do you want to give us a tour of everything you got from shopping today?
No. Hold on, this is the most interesting thing you'll ever see.
It's got a colander. Factor 50 sun cream. Nice.
And that's what you get.
To wipe your greasy face.
That's not hot chocolate, you bitch.
That is the best froth I've ever taken. No, don't. I'm having it. Then we went to get food. Look at this. Got myself a beefy burger. And look at Chloe's. Chloe's looks like a dog as shit on her back. Then we got an Uber back to Pandora car alarms. Right here, we've got a fucking Fiat 595. This is literally the car I want. Honestly, I feel like coming down here, us two, we're the biggest kids ever. We shouldn't be in the boat. I just care about my car, okay? I just care about my car.
I just care about the dogs upstairs.
The thing is, like, I can't imagine pressing my button. There it is. There's the bloody Ferrari. That is probably the loudest car I've had here. I can't imagine going.
You're all on your phone, just tapping.
Yeah, all on my phone. That is like, it baffles me. I'm actually pissed off. Like the security is one thing, and then you got the fucking remote start, which is like, I've activated a cheat in like GTA 5 or something. Dora the Explorer. She's just admiring the dogs.
Do you want some? I'll give it you.
Whoever, I don't even know who these dogs are. Just know, Chloe literally came for the dogs. Right, the car is now ready. Get going. After you. Oh, actually after me. Right, so now Pandora's little showroom. Look, come on. Look got lights here. What the? You know, fuck the alarm system. Look at this. Look. Blood, see, you want green? You can have bloody green. Look at that. What are we saying? You want them off? Boom. Off, mate. But now we're gonna have purple to match the car. I can't believe it. Come on, let's go do a haul. So look, there's the oh, look at that. That's got the sunstrip. Oh my god, this is lit. Oh my god, they got a carbon fibre. I'm guessing this is a key fob cutter thing. Oh, they got an air freshener. Nah, this is the best bit.
A pen.
Because I'm now sophisticated and my car is now Pandora certified, I can just go. If you want to book an appointment with the other stuff, let me just look at my diary. Yo, they got me a little goodie bag. Look at that, bro. Have I got a calendar? Nah, don't piss me off. Alright, but yeah, 3
Oh,
2 bloody calendars.
I'll see that.
Look, there's 3 calendars.
I think this is the best part of this day, you know?
Right.
Yeah, that is advertising at a key. Put it on remote start the car for the first time on camera. Luke's showed me like everything that this alarm system does. I think it's Matt from Pandora, he does this.
Can your immobiliser do this?
So you know I'm going to do this, ready? Can your Scirocco do this? And it'll do the blinks? Can it? Come in. Look at this. Who's in there? Nobody. We'll unlock the car. And then we can hop in. I didn't even use the blinking. Pretty much, we're going to go into more detail once we're home because I'm a bit too gassed right now. safety and the comfort of my home. And pretty much the car is outside. I feel like it's being guarded by bloody like samurai warriors or something. I don't know. But yeah, right there is the Scirocco, and it is now protected by Pandora. And I want to say, firstly, a huge thank you to the guys down at Pandora. Like, honestly, this is so normal to them. I'm such a kid, I think they could see that, but literally, I get so hyped over this stuff, and them supplying it and fitting it, maddest thing ever. It made my day, basically. When you see what this thing can do, it's gonna be mad. It's literally gonna be a very boring kind of segment next. But if this does not sell you on the Pandora system, then you're mad. You're a dickhead. What is this? Can you... Hey, shut the fuck up, you dickheads. So pretty much right at the top we have Volkswagen Scirocco, because you guys know I'm whipping a Volkswagen Scirocco. But yeah, pretty much top right hand corner, we actually upgraded this immobilizer to have tracking. So top right hand corner, if I click that, it will show where the car is right now. Happy days. Pretty much we've got this nice little diagram of a car. Got some cool stats such as the fucking fuel. I know how much fuel is in this car from my app. So let's say I don't have my keys on me. I've just come in from a nice walk. I've left my keys here. And I just realised, oh, actually, I left my butt plug in the car. I can actually unlock it from my phone, like so. And then hop in, get whatever I'm looking for, my butt plug, which is in there. And I can also lock it up as well. Like so. Another cool, simple feature on this Pandora app is it actually shows you when you've left your door open. So if you've accidentally left it open a little bit, it will tell you, and then you can go back to your car and shut it like a normal person. Also, with this button right here, we can pop the trunk, like so, like that, or from within. Yeah. Now then, moving on to probably the best feature of this immobilizer that we actually added is remote start. This is fucking crazy, guys. There is actually a few ways that I can actually start this car, including my key fob and my telephone. The maddest thing is, a lot of these features can be activated through a phone number that this car actually has now. So I can call up a number, I can start my car from that number, I can completely kill the engine from that number. It's mad. But we are going to demonstrate. Press the lock button 3 times. Done, done, done. It will do its twinkly, twinkly lights. Let's run to the back. Ready? Put the brakes on and... The car's all started for me. Best part is, it's locked. Nobody's getting in there. And if somebody did get in there, like so, as soon as they touch the brakes, or to like move the car's dead. If I want to get in the car and move it at that point, all I do is put the key in and then I can move it without it shutting off. Like Luke said at the start, you can actually also, it's very easy, you can do this all through the app, but you can actually set times for the car to start each day of the week. So if you work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can set it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to start at 5 in the morning till 5:35. And you might be wondering,
Why might you want to do that?
well, you can have the car already nice and warmed up for you, so you can do a few pulls on the way to work or something. Now, let's talk about the security on this thing, because it's all good, remote starting it, that is just a plus feature. With this immobilizer, this thing right here is the bad boy. So if you do not have this in the car, you cannot start this car. This is currently in the car, so it can detect it, press the brake and start. Start just like normal. So now we're gonna simulate if somebody, you know, has found my keys after I've been passed out drunk on a pub table and they haven't got the tag. And this thing is currently in the key signal blocker. Oh, already now that we've got in the car, it's beeping. And let's try and start the car up. Foot on brake, just like normal. Nothing, mate. The car is not gonna turn on. Then obviously now we've got the tag right here, I'm gonna pop that there. So you guys can hopefully see how important this tag is. Now then, another little simulation. I love these little role plays for you guys. So let's say I'm driving the car with the keys in the ignition, I'm driving along, I get to a traffic light. Shut up, dickhead. Let's say I get to a traffic light, some fucking moped thieves come up next to me. give us your bloody car, give us your bloody car. And I'm like, okay, you're not gonna get found though. Okay. So we're gonna put this key fob in this key signal blocker to simulate me being dragged out the car. So let's say the key fob will be on me, it won't be on the keys. Pop that right in the key signal thing. Oh, there it is. So the thief is currently driving along. Oh, what is the beeping? What is the beeping? It's basically saying the tag is no longer in the car. So, you're fucked. You're fucked, mate. Stop the car now. Over the course of a period of time, I've just got a notification on my phone to say anti-hijacking is enabled. So pretty much over the next course of, I don't know, 3 minutes or something, the fuel will cut itself off to make this car completely stop. So if you can hear now, the car is stuttering like a bitch. So if we give it a little bit more revs, look, oh my god, it's gonna stall, hold on. Let's give it a bit more revs. Look, and the car's dead. Look at that. And if we try and start it again, fucking nothing. And that is all because the tag is out of the car. At the same time as this happening, the car actually gives out this beautiful light show for all the locals. So it doesn't shut down straight away to bring the car safely to a stop instead of like completely cutting out on the motorway when they're doing like 100. But also it gives them time to actually get away from you so that you're more protected. So it is very important to have the tag separate from the keys or else they can actually drive the car off. Now you might be wondering, well, what happens if they steal the keys and the tag? This is mental, but pretty much I tried this out yesterday. You have your own phone number that you can call to control this car. I can start this car from my phone. Ready? Entering the code right now, just from that phone call. Started. But pretty much my point is, we can do that anti-hijack procedure through my phone number, just like that. It is absolutely fucking crazy. So if you guys have genuinely got any questions for you, I will try and answer them to the best of my ability. I will hit them up and see. But yeah, if you are interested, they've actually hooked me up with a discount code. Enter TOS10 to get some money off your purchase of the system. Depending on what your budget is, you could just get the immobilizer, you can add tracking, you can add remote start, you can literally fully upgrade this to a full-blown military fucking security system. It's actually crazy. And you can do that at any time. You could just buy the immobilizer and then add remote start later, I believe at least. Anyway, if you are interested, click the link in the description, use my discount code TOS10. I'm fucking gassed. Nobody's robbing me now. Right then guys, so just before I forget, up here we've obviously got all of the companies that help and support the car. So it's only right that Pandora gets the thing right here. Feels like a bush took a trial getting this sticker on. Pandora, stick to your alarms. Where should we put it?
Please make it straight.
What, like this? Boom. Pandora car alarms. Huge shout out for the sticker, lads. Boom, just like that. Pandora car alarms. Very nice. We well. So yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video, guys. Hopefully you like the Pandora system. Check them out for yourself. Literally, I genuinely think it is worth looking into. Plus it's a great little party trick if you add the remote start. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see your faces in my next video.